Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Splendid Ideas with Maria. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous centerpiece that could be the perfect focal point of any room. Check the description box for all materials used. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, subscribe, click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Now let's get creating. First, I'm going to start by making my tray, and for this I'm going to use these wooden square frames that I got from Walmart. You're going to need 5 of them, and I'm going to use Gorilla Glue to glue them together. I also used a clamp to keep them together, and then I'm going to set them aside and let them dry. So this is what my tray looks like. I'm gonna set it aside, let the glue dry, and then I'll come back to it. Next, I'm gonna take 4 candlestick holders. I got these from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna glue 2 together, making 2 pairs. And for this, I'm going to be using my hot glue, but make sure you use a strong glue like the Gorilla Epoxy Glue or E6000 to make sure that your candle holders stay together and don't fall apart. So now to decorate my candle holders, I'm going to be using some of this silver bling ribbon, and I cut strips of 4 rows each, and I am going to glue one here and another one here. Okay, here they are, looking very pretty. I'm gonna set this aside, and now I'm going to be working on the hurricane candle holders. I'm going to be using these as vases. So I'm gonna decorate them the same way, using 3 row strips of the silver bling ribbon, and I'm just gonna glue them to the neck of the candle holder. Okay, and to add more bling to my vases, I'm going to use these brooches that I got from Totally Dazzle. I will put a link in the description box if you're interested. And I'm just going to glue these with my hot glue gun. Look how pretty this looks. It looks very elegant. Next, I'm going to paint my tray with brown paint, and you can stain it if you like, but I'm using brown paint. If you're gonna paint it, make sure you use a paint that has some gloss to it, because that makes it look nicer. here is my painted tray. I gave it 2 coats and it's completely dry. And the next step is to put some felt fabric on the back because I don't want the wood to scratch my table, and also it gives it a more finished look. Next, I want to put mirrors inside the squares, but I feel that I need to add something so that the mirrors sit a little higher. So to accomplish this, I'm going to cut 10 pieces of cardboard and I'm going to put 2 inside each of the spaces. Now I'm going to paint the edges around the cardboard because the mirrors are slightly smaller than the space they're going to sit in, and I don't want the cardboard showing through. So by painting it, it shows like there's just wood around it. And now I will start gluing my mirrors, making sure they are centered. And voila, here's my beautiful tray. Okay, so let me show you the tray again now that I clear my table and I have better lighting. So now it's time to put the centerpiece together. First, I'm going to take my vase and I'm gonna add some water beads. These are in the color yellow. And I will put a link in the description box to where you can get these. And then I will add my beautiful flowers, which I also got from Dollar Tree. You can use whatever flowers you like. Even with the water beads, you can use real flowers. And now to finish it off, I will add my candle holders. I also am going to add to this white candles. The candles are also from Dollar Tree. And then I will add the other 2 vases. And here you have it, my friends. Look how gorgeous the centerpiece looks. It's glamorous, it's elegant, it's just beautiful. It will look great in your home for sure. Alright my friends, this is all for now. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next week with more DIYs.